He told her that she should put it in somebody's mailbox.
Then I decided that if someone's going to put it in someone's mailbox, I'm not going to do it because I don't want my fingerprints on it, and I don't want to give away my artwork.
I don't know. If you could somehow have them pay you to do that, so at least you're, like, getting compensated.
And, like, sell it to people on the internet so they can put it in people's mailboxes. That would be cool.
That would be, like, spreading the creeperness.
Yeah, that would be. I shouldn't do that because I already have, like, 2
Spread
legitimate
the love.
creepers. I have 2 stalkers.
We're not going to talk about that.
No, we're really not. But you cyberbullied me, Chris.
What?
With that picture. I never got to reprimand you for it.
Oh, that was so exciting. It was that picture that you took of her on the bus when she took your seat.
I have not forgiven you for that.
And I was like, I hope that ends up on the internet. And then it did.
There's enough embarrassing things of me on the internet, like dancing and singing.
Yeah, but those were, like...
My choice.
Yeah. I feel like I'm getting cut out of this. There we go. No!
Wow. Using your foot. You put your foot on my computer screen?
Deal with it. Communist.
Watch it. Well, anyway, Papa Chris.
Oh, did I tell you? Do you know how I named my car after you? Well, now I'm not allowed to drive it anymore. My face is really white. What happened there? Yeah. So now I'm not allowed to drive it anymore because I'm car grounded. Really good. So it makes me sad because I see it in my driveway. And I'm like, oh, look, it's PC. But I can't drive it.
So instead we drive around in Guillaume. That's my car, not the actual Guillaume.
I feel like, one, you need... There we go. One. You need... Leave me alone. You need to fix all the, like, names of the songs and artists on your computer. Because just thinking about that bothers me.
Agreed.
And 2...
I second that opinion.
What was my second?
I don't know, you didn't tell me.
Oh, I had a second thing.
We have a symbiotic relationship, not a telepathic. Last time I said telegraphic.
Okay, yeah, I remember. 2. I'm trying to make it go straight. Okay, 2. You should send us a video because you seem like the Mac type of guy, which means that you can.
And that also means that you don't have to email us. Apparently you don't like to email.
But you're allowed to email us. Because that made me happy because I check my email at school during my free period because I'm not allowed on the computer at my house. Another funny story. And it would make me happy because I'm always really bored because none of my friends have the same free period as me except for this one friend, but it doesn't matter. And so...
Is that Craig?
No, it's Shereen.
Oh.
And so it would make me happy if I, like, got an email at school from you. Or anybody, really.
I should email you.
No, that'd be weird.
Okay, I won't.
Anyway. Did we miss?
No. We miss you, Chris. Look, we're holding hands, and it's not illegal. Okay, that's weird.
That was weird. Please don't do that. But look. Ecuador. Team Ecuador.
Look how much tanner I am than she is.
Because I'm legitimately right. Okay, I can't do this.
What?
Everything's so lost. Yeah.
I'm totally moving my hand in the wrong direction.
And look, no ring. So, yeah, I'm sad. I emailed Pratima, by the way. Because you told me to.
With me. Alright. Mr. Chris, respond to us, please, or we'll both cry.
Oh, did you watch our other
states
video?
Of depression.
Did you watch our other video that we left you, like, a long time ago? Because when I was Facebook chatting with you, you said that you couldn't watch it because you didn't have sound on that computer at the hotel. So I want to know if you ever got around to watching it, because it's really funny.
And we are not shoes.
But yeah.
Alright. Bye. Hope you enjoy my singing.